Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm here to teach you the subject security analysis and portfolio management. In this subject, today we will discuss about the overview of investment analysis and portfolio management. So I will not take so much of time of all of you, and right now we will discuss about how we can analysis the securities and how we can manage the portfolio to achieve our goal, how we can optimize the investment and earn the profit. So, should we start? Okay, thank you. So, in this slide, we will discuss about here security analysis. As you see in the security analysis, it is a process of evaluating individual securities. Like individual securities, are stock, bonds, derivatives. Which through we will get the information by analyzing the three key aspects here. What is first of all is fundamental analysis. We can This is fundamental analysis, and just a minute. Fundamental. This is fundamental analysis, and this is technical analysis, and this is quantitative analysis. So here we will discuss about where first of all is the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is very much important to evaluate the stock, bond, and derivatives. In this fundamental analysis, examining the securities and financial and economic factors. In the fundamental analysis, we'll examine the financial and economic factor जिसमें एक कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन आ जाती है, उसके इंडस्ट्री के ट्रेंड आ जाते हैं, लाइक जो इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेंड होते हैं भी कहाँ पे मार्केट ग्रो कर रही है, कहाँ पे इक्वल टू जा रही है, एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंग we can check the economic condition of the company and what is the financial quality, financial position of the company. That we can examine on the basis of the financial statement. So that is a fundamental analysis, which is discussed about the financial and economic factor of the company. If we will talk about the technical analysis, in the technical analysis, we will study about the history of the company. It means what was the prices of the company in the history of the stock market, or how much volume has been traded, and what at that time what was the pattern of that market, what was the trend. So that is technical analysis. And if we will talk about there is a technical analysis. Technical analysis using mathematical and statistical models to evaluate security. So through stat we can analyze the company's data and the financial statement, which will be important to help to how we can use and make a optimum portfolio to do a proper decision. So I think everybody is understand that is very much important. So if anybody have any query, then you can drop me a message in my channel. Definitely, I will give you the reply. If any question you have, then let me know. I will drop my contact number in the comment box also. Thank you. Now we'll go on the next slide. Now in the next slide here, there are more three important key concepts which will helpful to analyze the securities. First of all, we'll talk about intrinsic value. Then second is market price, and then next is risk assessment. What is intrinsic value? Intrinsic value is a measure of what an asset is worth that is arrived at by means of an objective calculation or complex financial model rather than using the currently trading market price of the asset. Investor seeks to buy security trading below their intrinsic value. That is intrinsic value. The second, if we'll talk about market price, the current price at which a much security is trading in the market determined. How it will determine? It is determined by supply and demand. And the next is risk assessment, analyzing and assessing various risk factors which will helpful to analyze the security. So that is a risk assessment, and hope it will be very helpful for all of you to analyze the security market. So I will not taking so much of time and then go on the next slide, that is relating with portfolio management. So because we have already discussed about the security analysis, in the security analysis we use the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, quantitative analysis, and then we will use also intrinsic value, how we can buy the security using the intrinsic value and so on. So now it's important to discuss about portfolio, how we can diversify our portfolio, because we have a limited saving, and on the basis of our limited saving, that is very much important for a मैंगो पर्सन आम आदमी के लिए यह ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो अपनी सेविंग को कैसे डिवाइड करे, how they will diversify their income and risk and the return को कैसे measure करे, and then market trend analysis. So these are the important factors towards managing of the portfolio. And then we will go on the next slide. There is a first of all scope, investment analysis and decision making. Evaluating investment opportunity and recommending buy, sell or hold. Okay. So it will be helpful to how we can buy, at what moment we should buy the purchase security, at what moment sell the security, or at what time, what will be the perfect time where we have to take the decision to hold the security. And the second point is important about risk assessment and management, because when we are going in the business, whether that is related with the stock or whether it is related with the business, risk is there. So developing risk, managing strategies to mitigate potential losses. So how we can make the strategies and mitigate the loss and risk management, that is important. And now we will go on portfolio constructions and optimization. Portfolio construction, how we can construct our portfolio, that is based on the investment decision, risk assessment and management, risk management, which will communicate each other, then we will construct our portfolio. So I hope all of you understand this, these main factors. So if we, with your permission, we can go on the next slide. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, then you can ask a question by dropping a message in the comment box, and I will definitely reply to you. So I will go on the next slide. The next point is performance evaluation and reporting. So this is, if we have a step by step to analyze the what is the performance of the security in the market. On that basis, we can analyze it. So that is important. Second is investment strategy. What is the investment? That is your active strategy or that is your passive strategy. That is depend upon you. What is how you will value growth investing, income investing, indexing. That is important. And then next is the market analysis and forecasting. Marketing analysis is based on the research conducting of financial market sector and industries. So now next we will go on the next point. is financial modeling and quantity analysis and compliance and ethical considerations and technology and data analytics. In technology and data analysis, we have five key trends. That is analytics, blockchain technology that is important, predictive analytics, conversational analytics. So here, if we have already discussed about security analysis and portfolio management, so then we can discuss about the overall overview of investment. That is security evaluation is important. If it is evaluated by technical analysis and fundamental analysis, that we can manage the portfolio. So I hope so everybody understand this. That is very much important. If anybody have any queries, then please ask me. I will always will be with you. Quantitative analysis, risk assessment, evaluation methods, so anything